What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got a little reveal for you. The bar cart. It's going to be amazing when it's done. We got some little things we got to do. So we picked it up semi-complete. As you see, it is how we get it. We got a stool over there. We got to put some brakes on it. We got to get all the cabling figured out. Steering needs attached. It's a little bit we got to do here, but that's why we're making a video today. So keep watching and find out what we do.
Perusing down the old Facebook marketplace, you know how it goes. Bad decisions and expendable money led us to an old man living out west that was working on this since 2020, apparently, according to his receipts. Old man bought everything brand new, man. He Honda motor, 0 miles on it, torque converter. He already jetted it, took the governor out. Gave us a nice little $300 brake kit, nice clean aluminum wheels here, and don't pay attention to that. That was
because we're not going to use one of these is going to be a brake lever, but we're not going to use the brake lever anymore. We're going to have
the aluminum bar right there.
Yeah.
It's going to act
we're going to take this aluminum bar here, we're going to put it here, and it's going to be a giant brake lever. It's just way safer and way more, I guess, consistent.
This man's talking about safe and they're having a bar stool for the seat.
Well, I mean, imagine you're on this thing and you need to stop, but you're turned this way and your hands are like this and you're trying to squeeze the brake and it's awkward, you know. It's just better to have something independent of that. Oh, yeah.
I just want everybody to know that
one. If you want, you can do the red one. That one's going to fold in half.
I want everybody to know that this project is safety as a priority. We have safety in mind for this project, all right? I want everybody to know that safety is numero one, main priority.
or Kyo.
Absolutely.
I got you. Hold on. Prop that thing back up.
Don't get out of it. Don't get out. Hold on.
Step here, Mike. What's our first step here?
Oh, well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a bracket for the rear caliper here. So we got some 1/4 inch plate steel here. The idea is our caliper kind of mounts like this. It's like a sandwich almost. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our plate come up here off of the axle mount, make a couple of threaded holes here. We're going to bolt it through the plate itself, and that'll keep everything fixed up here. Keeps our bleeders pointing up too, so it's easy to bleed the air out of these things.
Context for us?
Well, I'm trying to figure it up here because the axle is offset on this plate, so the axle is further back on this plate, which sets the center of our brake caliper is relative to the center of this axle. So I want to make sure that I got enough meat here, so I may end up having to slide this back to like right here. So that way the caliper has the most meat to attach to there, right? I'm going to use this little stop to hold the steering shaft from sinking all the way down so we can weld up that...
so it doesn't move around and stuff like that? Right?
Yeah, it's going to keep it
centered
in its place. In the bottom orientation, you know, the up and down. Oh, it's just tight. There we go. That's just what he's saying about it. Got it. That's why I said I'm only going to attach it in a few places. Down here is going to be the only place it's really attached, where it attaches to the linkage. And then up here, it's going to be sitting on top of this guy. Because we can't weld, this has to move independent. We can't weld this solid. Right? So. So, was it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so we attach this rod here, kind of a carrier for the steering shaft, kind of keeps it centered. So we got this bracket here made for our brake caliper to sit on. So that came out pretty good too. It looks like it's all sitting on there good, so not too worried about it. Try and get it straight. Looks like I'm probably gonna have to grind some weld off down there. Absolutely. So, we'll have to grind the weld off down here, make it flat again.
Small potatoes.
Yep, small potatoes. So next step here, we're gonna make a bracket. We gotta set the chair on here. We're gonna make a bracket for the master cylinder. Or get all the brackets welded on and made before I drill holes into them and get shit mounted. But we gotta have the chair on so we know exactly where we're gonna have this lever for
the positioning of everything.
Yeah, because the idea here is we're gonna take this piece of square aluminum stock, very lightweight, and we're actually going to affix it to this lever here. Not inside like that, but just as a demonstration here. It'll go something like that, but that's going to be our brake. So we pull this, and that's going to pull the master cylinder back. It's got a really strong spring inside of it. So a lot more reliable, I suppose, than having a brake lever on the handlebars there, because it's kind of awkward trying to stop and steer and throttle, and just nice having a lever off to the side you can just grab.
Round and round we go.
Okay, I got
When
those.
will we stop? Nobody knows.
I got that one in. All right, I think I got it the right way. Yeah, this one's
And then mark it so you know which one goes there.
There we go.
That's creepy.
I wonder if it's maybe not their account.
Because I've done that before with my old lady, but like she was.
So you don't want the bar, like if I mount it out here like this, oops, like this. That's probably too far away, you think? So like, I think,
That's a good question.
give me the closest square number, about 11 inches to put me right there.
Number 12, yep. I don't know.
6 or 7.
So we're going to make a little bracket here for our master cylinder. We're going to attach it to the end of the front tubing here. So we're going to bring it at an angle and then bring a flat piece this direction that our master cylinder can attach to with a lever. So we might end up making some gussets down here to hold it, but this might end up being temporary because I think in the end we're going to make some type of a framing down here. And once we have that framing down here, we'll actually have a flat piece out here that will allow us to attach that master cylinder there. So for now, we're just going to leave it just like this. And I think that'll work out really nice for us. So. Anyways, guys, we got the bracket made up here. We got the caliper attached to it. We got some nice stainless steel hardware there holding it in. We got some holes drilled and tapped into this 1/4 inch plate that holds us all together. It's actually pretty nice. Obviously, you can see that the rotor's just kind of floating right now. We don't have a key or anything in it, so we'll get it centered in the caliper there, and then get a key in there, get it tightened down, so that way that's all secure. We got to get keys for the wheels too. We didn't realize it, but there's no keys, no keyways. Well, there's keyways, but there's no keys in either of the wheel hubs. So need those keys there. Otherwise, the wheel can spin independent of the axle. You don't want that happening, or it will shred up your hubs. So aluminum.
How far is it supposed to go?
Keep it on. Keep going. I guess that would be like full brake.
So if that's full brake, if that's any taller, like I'd be doing like this, like
Yeah.
it would be super awkward.
But if we shrink it down to like right here, now do it.
Oh
That's
yeah,
full
that's
brake.
a lot better.
Alright, fine, let's go with that.
Well, we're hooking up the brake line,
This one.
and then I'm gonna hook up the other brake line.
And what's the important thing about this whole process.
Your mom. Oh wait, I don't know. What's important?
That the master cylinder.
Oh yeah. The
above,
master cylinder needs to be above the brake caliper. In a perfect
which
world.
it is.
Which it is. And we got our nice handle attached here, as you can see.
That's right.
Tits. Securely fastened.
Correct.
See? It's super secure. Testing.
Okay, you're rolling.
Nice. So we've got the Blake's bread.
Take two.
Blake's bread. We got the Blake's bread. Blake's bread.
Brakes bled.
We have the brakes bled. They are bled.
The brakes?
The brakes are braking. As you can see, look where our handle stops. I mean, this is like perfect. I couldn't have imagined anything better. It's literally the perfect distance. So we're going to go ahead and zip tie all these brake lines to our frame. Keep them out of the way. Obviously, you don't want your brake lines just
Flailing about
and
catch on a foot,
catching on everything, and
and then have no brakes where you're doing 40 miles per hour down the street.
Exactly why we have gigantic bolts holding our brakes on, because well, we need to stop. So, anyways, so we got that going. We need to make sure basically all the bolts are tight on this thing. We've already found several bolts that were loose, keys that were missing. We didn't have keys in the hubs. Number of things. So we're going to run through it here. We're going to tighten all, like this linkage is all loose. Everything's loose. We got to get these wheels aligned ish. We'll get them straight, so it's rolling straight. And then check the oil, put some gas in it. Drive.
Start her up.
Well, guys, we got the thing started, running, brakes bled. Seems to drive. We got the chain adjusted a little bit. We're about ready to take this thing on a test drive. It's going to be...
We have one more step.
One more step. The final step, we got to attach the seat cushion to the seat frame, I guess, if you will. So we're not doing anything special here. We're just going to take some wood screws and attach it.
You don't think those will be too long, do you?
We'll sit on it and find out. Might want to put some washers on it, though, it looks like.
Well, I've not been able to use the built-in compressor in the Taco yet. So we're gonna test it out right now because we gotta fill up these tires for the bar cart.
It's probably okay.
You can hear the tires, man.
Well, to be honest with you, I don't even know if that's... Seems like it's on there, yeah?
Start. Oh! Oh, that's badass. You guys laughed at me for getting a truck.
Because trucks suck.
Said finish.
Racing. Doesn't really say how much pressure, so.
Well, put the weight on it.
4 bar. What's 4 bar?
That feels pretty pumped up, if you ask me.
Yeah, I'd buy that.
All right.
Don't let it roll. My wheelie bar fell off. That's your brakes, not your wheelie bar. Might have to put a bolt in that. Yeah.
I feel like you should just go uphill.
Lift the back end out. Is it braking?
Well, guys, we took the thing out on a test drive. Brakes work. Engine does not say running. So we got a little more work to do there. Might have to get a different carburetor, maybe an upgrade. We'll see. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see. And we'll see you on the next one.
That's right.
Peace.
Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.